Each time I visit a website, one of the things I like to do is to check what they are doing on the website. I like to learn from everyone. And when I visit a website, I like to see the strategies they are applying on the website to grow their business. Of course, learning from them will help me to implement the best strategy on my website, and this will help me to grow my business. One of the most important things I check on each website is to see whether they're implementing tracking on their website or not. Unfortunately, a lot of people are not implementing tracking on their website. I have about 4 websites open on my browser at the moment, and I can see almost all of them are not implementing any tracking on their website. And you see, if you are not implementing tracking on your website, you're definitely going to miss a lot of opportunity that can help you to better improve your website to get the best result from your marketing. So what I want to do today is I want to show you one of the most important reports in the Google Analytics dashboard and few metrics you need to take note of that you can use to better improve your marketing. Either you're running advertisement to your website or you're implementing some SEO strategy to better rank your website on search engine. Now on my Google Analytics report, I will go straight and I will click on the acquisition menu. From the acquisition menu, I want to say the all traffic, and what I'm interested in is I want to say the source and medium. Now from the source and medium, I have a couple of metrics there that I want to look at to see what is working and what is not working for me. Now the dashboard is open and I have some information available there. Now from the source and medium, toward the left side you see the source and medium, and we have Google Organic, we have Google CPC, the direct, the internal, and some other source and medium which I have defined for my website. Now saying this, I know where my most traffic are coming from, and I will be able to see some metrics that are most important for me in each of these traffic. For Google Organic, I see if I go straight to the session duration and the bounce rate, I can see the bounce rate is 17.32% and the session duration is average of 2.38 seconds. Now, if I go straight to other traffic source and medium, I can see the bounce rate and I can look at all of this and see which is working and which is not working. Now, at a particular point, google.com/referral, I can see the bounce rate is 100% and the section duration is average of 0.000. Now imagine you're running an advertisement and you're getting this kind of metrics on your dashboard. You're definitely gonna see that this is not the best result you should be getting from your advertisement. You want to get the best result, you want to get the best bounce rate, and you want to get people to engage with your website, not people who come to your website and leave within 5 seconds. So now, without these metrics, I will not be able to see all of this information. And if I'm running advert, for example, if I'm running advert on Facebook and I come back here and I can see that Facebook is giving me bounce rate of 100% and I'm getting session duration of 0.000, and that is definitely showing me that this is not working, and I can better go ahead and change my marketing strategy, and maybe I just focus on building my SEO so that I can get the best result, I can get the most traffic from Google, and this is gonna help my business to grow. This is just a single tip I want to share with you today. If you are not implementing tracking on your website, you're definitely gonna be missing a lot of opportunity that can help you to grow your business on the internet. Go ahead and implement tracking strategy on your website so that you can see what is working and what is not working. I hope this short video is very informative and give you the necessary information that will help you to build your business on the internet. Thanks again for watching the video. Bye for now.